Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we have some super cute and of course easy mermaid corner bookmarks for you. Aren't they adorable? Let's take a look and see how they're made. And at the end we'll take a closer look at all three. So to make this bookmark, I'm going to be using some coloured paper, white, some glitter glue, which is optional, some pens, scissors and an eraser. First, we make our basic corner bookmark. You'll need a square piece of paper. I'm going to create a square, which is approximately 15 centimetres by 15, but it's not an exact science. It can be any size really. Once you have your square and that first triangle, fold up the corners. Open them up again, bring down one flap, bring this over, tuck it in, bring this over, tuck it in, and you have a basic corner bookmark. Now it's time to decorate. So the first thing I did was to sort of kind of give me a rough idea of what size I wanted my mermaid to be. So I'm going to just trim off a little bit off the top. I'm also kind of give her this sort of curved at the side. You want this to be quite big so that your bookmark doesn't fall apart. And you'll note I'll cut one side but not both because I want to use this as a template on the other side. Now I use this one, pop it over this side just so I get the size the same. I want to have them as even as possible. So your basic shape. Next I'm going to work on the hair. So my hair is going to go all the way around. So I might actually flatten this off a little bit actually. It's a bit. There we go. I'm going to use this as a template. Go from here all the way around down to here. And it's going to go straight up. And then you get to do a hairstyle, but I'm going to have a look at that in a minute. Let me cut that out first. This should now, when you flip it over, fit perfectly. So your mermaid body will come to about here. So you need a little bit of a face, space for face at the top. So I'm just going to do a simple kind of fringe look. This will come up a bit further. Here we go. What do you think? I think that's looking good already. It doesn't matter if it's not perfectly even. That's what makes them super cute. Next, you want to get the mermaid tail. So I'm going to line this up. You will chop some of this off in a minute, but I always prefer to get it straight as possible. Look at this. Turn it around. That's quite a good fit. I can trim a little bit off in a minute. Turn this round. I think that's looking good. I quite like the proportions, and I think there's enough for the face. Maybe I'll trim a tiny bit off the mermaid tail so there's a bit more space for the face. Yeah, that's good. And then you just need the mermaid's little fin at the bottom. So to do that, I'm going to fold this over and I'm going to cut a tear shape, but the tear shape is going to run, they're not going to be hanging like this together, they're going to be like this together. So actually I'm going to take another piece that was a bit bigger. There we go. I'm going to just cut it. So I'm going to do a tear, quite a big one. Doesn't matter too much, it's just a question of preference. So when you open up, see the tear? Open it. That's so cute already. I'm so excited. This one's going to look lovely. So time to decorate the face, and then we're going to glue it all together. Now the easiest way to decorate, I've got an old birthday card here. Just going to pop it over the corner so that these lines don't get in the way. I'm going to stick this down. Oh, I forgot to say we do need some glue stick. So let's just glue all these down, and then I can do the face. I'm going to put the hair up last. And we'll trim a little bit off in a minute. So the hair will go here. So I want the face. I want maybe one eye. And one eye. I'm going to colour this one in a nice kind of, I don't know if it's a beige or what you'd call this colour, tan. You don't have to draw all of it because the hair will go over some of it. Yeah, this is ready. I'm going to get a scrap of paper just to do some black outlines, because I do quite like when the hair has a little bit of detail. You can always erase the pencil marks later once it's fully dry. I'm going to leave them on for now. Time to glue the hair on. And your basic mermaid is finished. And then if you want, you can decorate. So I'm going to use some glitter glue, but I'll show you some of the other mermaids at the end, and you can have a look at the other designs and how I've decorated. But for this one, I'm just going to get some silver glitter glue. Make sure my glue is right at the bottom. With glitter glue, you might want to just practice on some paper first to make sure you're happy that it doesn't all come out in one big blob. Sometimes it does. So mine's okay, and then I'm just going to put some. And there you go. I'm going to let that dry, and my little mermaid is finished. How cute is that? So I've been wanting to make a mermaid bookmark for a long time now. So let's take a look at the other ones. Look at this one. Super cute, and I really like this one, where I just put a range of sequins and even some into the hair. So yes, if you like this little mermaid bookmark, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and of course we'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.